this is Chris from ITC. Today I will introduce you about our evacuation system, about the cable connection. For this evacuation system, it includes the host controller, the changeover, 4-channel amplifier, and the 8 zones amplifier. And you can see we connect all of them to the same switcher. Firstly, we come to the evacuation controller. Here are 8 inputs for the dry contact trigger. And these 2 network ports is to connect with the switcher and also the PC software configuration. And here are 4 ports for the desktop microphone, like the film microphone and the broadcast microphone. And here is a CAN port that can be connected with our battery charger and the recording controller for the communication. Besides the background music function on the controller, it also supports the external line inputs for the other audio sources. And also it supports the DC supply. The battery is 24 voltage. After the evacuation controller, now we come to the singular partition parts. You can see there are 2 devices. This one is the 4-channel amplifier, and this one is our changeover. The 4-channel amplifier gets the audio signal from the changeover first. Then it will output the signal to the changeover. After that, the changeover will output the signal to the speaker directly. Now we come to the changeover rear panel. You can see there are 8-channel dry contact trigger inputs. And this network port is for the communication with the controller. And this is for the CAN protocol communication. It also supports the 1-channel spare amplifier for the backup function. And it also supports the 24 voltage battery for the DC supply. The last part, we come to the power partition devices, the 8-channel amplifier. It's built in 500 watts amplifier and with the 8-channel outputs, so it can connect with the speaker directly. And it also supports the spare amplifier, the 1-channel backup function. And here are also the audio inputs for the external audio sources inputs. And about the 8-channel dry contact trigger, it's be configured here. And similarly, there are also 2 kinds of ports for the network communication with the controller and the CAN protocol communication with the recording controller and the battery charger. And these devices also support the 24 watts power supply. You can connect with the battery directly. As we discussed before, this controller supports the 4 desktop microphone, and also it supports the remote paging microphone. It's connected with the switcher directly. Firstly, we need to equip the network address. It needs to be same gateway with the system controller. Now we open the software. Firstly, we need to choose the network card. Second, we log in. The username and the password is also admin. Here we can see many function options. First is the control. You can see there are 5 zones because I equipped with a 8-zone amplifier and 1 changeover. The changeover is with 4-channel digital amplifier, so it's 4 zone. And then the 8-zone amplifier is with 1 8-zone partition, so it's with only 1 zone. Here we can choose the different zone. to broadcast the different message, evacuation alert, the background music, and the line input. Here is the system module. We can see the different status of the devices. And here, we need to do the parameter configuration. As we said before, there are 5 zones, so we equip with 5. And here is 1 controller, 1 changeover, and 1 8 zones amplifier, so it's with the 3 devices. Here we equip the host with 1. And here you can see 2 desktop microphone, including the fire alarm microphone and the PA broadcast microphone. Second one is the 8 zone amplifier. We equip 1. You can see it's with 8 power partition zones. And this one is about our changeover. Because we equip with a 4-channel amplifier, so the zone are 4. And we also equip 500 watts amplifier for backup, so there is 1. So we need to equip all the quantity here. The last one is about the remote paging microphone. In this system, we don't equip with it, so it's 0. After that, we choose to download. The second one is about the event configuration to link it with the fire alarm devices. You can choose when you trigger the dry contact, it will become green. And here we can set the different groups. You can choose the different zones in one group and give it a different name. And also we can adjust the time according to your local time. It will be synchronized with your computer. About the music broadcast, we can edit the different music program. You can choose the specific time, choose the play mode, and choose the different song list. And you can choose the BGM and the zones that you want to broadcast. So after you set a program, you need to download to the controller. Just link here and it will be uploaded to the system controller. Also, you can choose to delete or clean the host later. There is the PDT microphone, the emergency button, the evacuation and the alert status. And here is a SD card for the background music files. And here is our touch screen. The password is with the 68. Here you can see 10 function buttons. You can see the evacuation controller status, the changeover status, the zone amplifier status, and the digital microphone status. And here you can adjust the day and the time according to your local time. And here is the program. You can choose to broadcast from Sunday to Saturday, depends on your requirement. And this settings is for the system, about the letter parameter, the language, and other relevant settings. And here is for the broadcast function. You can choose the evacuation and the alert or the background music audio sources to broadcast to the different zones according to your requirements. And about the background music, you can choose to pause or start the last and the next song, depends on you. And here is a function for the system detect. You can choose to open or close it. Thanks for watching. If you want to know more about our products, please visit www.itctech.com.